So we're going to do this stop motion style. I've played with it and this seems to be the easiest way. Let's get into this deltoid, okay? It abducts the shoulder, flex and extends the glenohumeral or shoulder, medially and laterally rotates the shoulder. Also of note, it shares an attachment site with trapezius, that being the clavicle, acromion process, and spine of scapula. Remember, we don't care about those secondary actions. Just know that it abducts, flexes and extends, and medially and laterally rotates the shoulder. Okay, at this point, if you are studying for MBLEX, it should be intuitive that the anterior fibers flex and medially rotate and the posterior fibers extend and laterally rotate. And all of them, including the middle fibers, abduct. All right, so supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. If you need help remembering which S is which, supra is above, and it's super, so it comes first, and sub, as in below, in the basement, is the last S. How do you remember the actions? Well, pick up the ball and throw it. First, you need to abduct the shoulder to pick up the ball. Lateral rotation to wind it up. Medial rotation to release the ball. So remember, throw the ball. Supraspinatus, abducts, pick up the ball. Infraspinatus and teres minor, because teres are always flunkies or little helpers. So teres minor works with infraspinatus to wind up the ball, lateral rotation. And then finally, subscapularis is on the front. The anterior scapula is going to medially rotate to release the ball, throw the ball, rotator cuff. And of course, an important thing to remember, adhesive capsulitis, aka frozen shoulder, is generally caused by subscapularis. Moving on, latissimus dorsi and teres major. Remember, teres major is a little helper, major to the big latissimus dorsi and minor to the little infraspinatus. These are the arresting muscles. From anatomical position, you are about to be arrested. What are you going to do? Extend the shoulders. Bring them hands back. Medially rotate those shoulders to turn those hands facing backwards, and adduct to bring those wrists together and catch these cuffs. The arresting muscles. Extend, medially rotate, and adduct the glenohumeral. An important attachment site is they both insert on the intertubercular groove, also known as the bicipital groove in the past, all right, along with pec major. All right, let's get into that trapezius in the upper back and neck. And we have two driller alerts. It is a neck muscle and a contralateral rotator. So what does that mean? It's on the back, so it extends the neck. It side bends or laterally flexes the neck, and it contralaterally rotates the neck. It also elevates, depresses,